Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn about tree map. So let's get to know what is tree map in the first place. Tree maps are a way of representing your data in hierarchical format. It represents your data in a nested rectangle format, higher to lower format, like if it is maximum sales to lowest sales. So let's get started. It's mainly major dimension and measures play the major role in this. So if I click on show me over here, if I go to tree map, it shows one or more dimensions required to develop a tree map and one or more measures are required to develop a tree map. So I'll show you both the cases, how to use multiple dimensions and multiple measures to develop a tree map. Let's get started with today's session. Let me click on category and press control and click on sales. As you can see, the tree map is popped up. So just click on this and you'll be able to see a beautiful tree map in front of you. So here, the bigger the rectangle, the maximum the sales, and it drills down to the lowest sales. So this is the easy way to understand, like if you want to understand like which category subcategory is having the maximum sales, and it shows it's in front of you. It's very easy to identify here, but there are different use case for this. Like if you want to use multiple dimensions or multiple measures for this, let me drag category to color so it will be easy for you to understand. See how it divides entire data set into different categories. So these are the subcategories which is within each category. So if furniture, within furniture, these are the subcategories that you have. Within technology, you have the subcategories over here, and within office supplies, you have the subcategory. The bigger the rectangle, the maximum the sales. So let me show you another use case for this tree map. Let me drag profit colors. So as you can see, the tree map has changed completely. So by looking at this, it's easy to identify. As you look here, the maximum the profit, it's marked as blue. The least profit is marked as orange. So as you can see, copier is having the maximum profit, and the tables have the least profit, but the maximum sales has happened for the category phone. So it's easy to identify by looking at the tree map that which category has the maximum profit, which category has the least profit, which has the maximum sales or the least sales. So these are the few use cases for tree map and way to analyze it. Let's learn in the next session.